Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we will understand our question. The program must accept the integer n with its last digit marked as x, and we can replace the x with any digits from 0 to 9, and we should check whether it's divisible by 4 or not. So if it is divisible, then we must print the n, else we should continue. And we have also given a note that the numbers printed should be in ascending order. So now let us take our first test case, that is 6447x. So now we should replace the x with digits from 0 to 9. So let's replace them. So here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So after replacing x with digits 0 to 9, we should check whether it's divisible by 4 or not. So this integer is not divisible by 4. So, and this is not divisible by 4. And this number is divisible by 4. So it will be considered. Then this is not divisible by 4. This is also not divisible by 4. So this is divisible by 4. So it will be considered. This is not divisible by 4. And these also. So now our output will be the numbers which were divisible by 4. That is, we have got these two numbers as our output. Now let us run our second test case. So first we should replace the x with digits from 0 to 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after replacing, we should check whether the number is divisible by 4 or not. So here, yes, it is divisible by 4. Then here it is no, it will not be considered here. Then here it is no, here also no. Here it is yes. And here it is no, 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 yes, and here it is no. So our output will be, we should print the numbers which were divisible by 4. So these are the three numbers that were divisible by 4, which is our output. Let us implement our program. First we'll get our integer n in the form of string, so that the x can be replaced. Then we'll run a for loop for val in range 0, 9 plus 1. Here we have used plus 1 as it is exclusive. Then why we have used this 0, 9, as we should print the numbers in sorted order, we have used 0, 9. Then we'll have the temporary variable temp equal to n dot replace of x with the string of val. So here the val is in integer format, so here it will be changed to string. Then after that we should check our condition. Before that we'll convert the temp into integer, then check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. So if it is divisible, we are going to print the temp and use end argument. Now let us execute our program. We'll run our first case. So we have got the correct output as we discussed in our logic video. Then we'll run our second test case. So here also we have got the correct output, that is the numbers which are divisible by 4. Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.